Hi, I'm Anita. Welcome to my channel. Look what I got in the mail today. Today I'm unboxing an order from Dollar Bead Box. This is an order I placed to add to my bead stash of fire polish beads and 1x2mm crystal rondelles. Links in the description box below apply to all the products unboxed today. Okay, let's get started. Take this out. Oh my goodness, look at all that. I've got some little rondelles, a bunch of fire polish beads, and a charm here, and I'll show that to you shortly. So let me get everything arranged and then I will review each item with you. Okay, the first item I'm going to show you, these are Chinese crystal rondelle beads, and the color is opaque cobalt. And these are 2x3mm, and I got one strand. And there's probably about 120 pieces on each of these strands. And this is really pretty. Look at the sparkle on that. And these are real little tiny rondelles, and they make great use for spacing in between some of my jewelry projects. Just beautiful. So let me get the next strand. Okay, my next strand of Chinese crystal rondelle beads is a color called Seafoam Opal with full coat silver luster. These are 2x3, and I got a one strand also on these. And I think these are about 120 or so. There's quite a few here. That is really pretty. See if you can see that up close. Absolutely beautiful. And I also got another strand, similar in color, but these are even smaller. A different color palette, but it's very close to the seafoam. These are called opaque turquoise, and these are 1x2s. These are even smaller. Very beautiful. Check that out. Absolutely gorgeous. For my next strand of Chinese crystal rondelles, these are opaque turquoise. These are 1x2. Actually, these are 2x3. I think they labeled that wrong, but those are really pretty. Bright turquoise color, nice long strand of rondelles. My next strand of rondelles, these are 1x2, very teeny tiny. These are opaque red, 120 pieces. Now all of these strands that I'm showing you today were each $1 from Dollar Bead Box. A really great deal. Look at the sparkle on these, just beautiful. And Dollar Bead Box, they have some great deals. You can subscribe to their monthly bead box if you like. They have different pricing tiers, but I decided to just join with their annual membership to give me the opportunity to purchase all of these at a discount of $1 a strand. It's a really great deal. So I'll have a link to their website in the description box if you'd like to check that out. For my next strand, again, another set of 1x2 crystal rondelles. These are jet. Very beautiful, very sparkly, and this is a jet black, 1x2 on the diameter, absolutely gorgeous. My next strand of crystal rondelles, another 1x2mm, and this is called silver, and very silver indeed. These are just spectacularly shiny. Isn't that beautiful? And here is one more strand of crystal rondelles, 1x2mm, and these are crystal clear. Just gorgeous. Look at that. These are so small with such a large, spectacular shine. They're just beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the fire polish beads. And I will have a variation of 3mm and 4mm on fire polish, so that'll be next. Okay, here are my next set of strands. I'm going to start showing you the 3mm and the 4mm. This color is called Crystal Pink Luster AB. And the AB stands for Aurora Borealis. Look at that beautiful rainbow shine on these 4mm. Got a total of 3 strands. These are $1 each, and you get a total of 50 pieces to each strand on both the 4mm and the 3mm. Isn't that beautiful? Very nice rainbow effect of colors in a very clear translucent pink. Absolutely beautiful. For my next color palette in 4mm and 3mm, this is called Citrine Luster AB. And as you can see, it is a very citrusy color with that beautiful rainbow effect. Absolutely beautiful. And then here are the 3mm in the same. Just gorgeous. These will look absolutely gorgeous in a summery piece of jewelry. Aren't those beautiful? Let me go on to the next color. All right, check out this next color. This is absolutely beautiful. This is called Metallic Mardi Gras Green. How does that make you think of Louisiana? Just beautiful, very metallic and shiny color. A nice neutral green, kind of a seafoam green with the metallic effect. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, these are 3mm and 4mm size, 100 pieces per strand. Just gorgeous. Gonna have fun playing with these. Just beautiful. Let me go on to the next color palette. My next color palette in 3mm and 4mm is called Crystal Half Gold. Now these are absolutely beautiful, very, very elegant looking. So you can see it's got that partial crystal see-through with the gold plating on one different parts of the facet. Really shiny. That's just gorgeous. And here's the 3mm in the same. It's nice to have your color palette with both sizes when you're doing bead weaving projects. Very beautiful. Let me go on to the next color. All right, for my next color palette, this is in the Cobalt family. I wasn't able to get my 4mm the same, so I wanted to get something as close to matching as possible. These 4mm strands are called Dark Cobalt Blue. Just beautiful. And again, 50 pieces per strand. And then the 3mm are Cobalt AB. Well, these are look a lot lighter color, but they have the AB finish and with a little bit of crystal see-through. Beautiful. My next color palette, this is more of a matte color. These are called Matte Rainbow Bronze, and definitely you can see the rainbow in here. Very beautiful. 4mm and 3mm. Very subtle, elegant look. Gorgeous. Aren't those beautiful? Now let's go on to the next one. My next color in the 4mm and 3mm is called Matte Jet Vitrail. Just beautiful. Look at that. It's kind of a dull matted finish, but it's got a really beautiful rainbow effect. The vitriol is variations in color with the subtle black. Just beautiful. There's the 3mm. Just beautiful. For my next color palette, this is called Blue Violet. It kind of similar to the Blue Iris shades, but it's called Blue Violet, and it's got a lot of metallic shine with some purples and blues in there. Absolutely beautiful. Again, these are 3 millimeters, all 50 pieces per strand for $1 each. Just beautiful. And we'll see what's next. All right, here's my next color palette. I wanted to get some pinks in here. So this color is called Violet Fuchsia. It looks more pink than violet, but it's got a little bit of a marbled effect. And you can definitely see the fuchsia in here. Absolutely beautiful. Those are the 4 millimeters, and these are the 3 millimeters in the same color palette. Just beautiful. My next color palette is called Dark Pink, and it is definitely that, dark pink. Kind of reminds me of pink carnations. Very deep pink luster. And there's my 4 millimeters up close. Aren't those pretty? Oh, that makes me think of springtime. And then here are the 3 millimeters in the same color palette. Absolutely so pretty. Makes your beading experience very happy. All right, let's go on to the next palette. Okay, I'm going to go back to a couple of the other ones I showed you previously, and I had said these were blue violet, but actually these are blue lilac iris. Correction on that, my apologies. So these are blue lilac iris, and then these are called blue violet. It's a very soft, subtle blue with hints of violet in there. So these are called blue violet in the 4 millimeter and the 3 millimeter strand. Very soft, elegant color. So we have blue violet here, and these are blue lilac iris. Okay, let me go on to my last set of strands. All right, for my last set of strands, this is called Citrine Vitrail, and it's got a very metallic shine to it with the citrine color. Absolutely stunning. And that's my 4 millimeter. These are my 3 millimeter in the same color palette. Citrine Vitrail, 50 pieces per strand. Similar in the color palette to the citrine, but it's a little bit lighter color, as you can see, if you wanted to compare these side by side. Both gorgeous, gorgeous strands. Looking forward to using these, and then I'll go on to my last item. So here is the last item that I ordered, and I only got one of these. I just wanted to see how big and how well it looked. This is a pendant. It's called the Tree of Life pendant, and that is a pretty good size. It's about the size of an index finger, like that. It's got some nice detail, and you could do this two-sided. It's got both sides are the same. It's got a nice, looks like about a 1 millimeter hole in there. And this was $1 for this charm, or this pendant piece. So this will make a nice focal piece. So I just bought one of these because I was just going to see if I like this or not, whether I want to order any more. But very nice, good quality, very heavy. And so let me get everything arranged and see if I can fit this all into my camera to conclude today's video. Okay, there you have it. Goodness, I could just barely get this to fit all in my camera frame. All these beautiful fire polish beads from Dollar Bead Box. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me today. This concludes my Dollar Bead Box unboxing. There will be links in the description box below with all the products linked that we unboxed today. If you're not a subscriber, I hope that you do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thank you to those of you who have subscribed and liked and commented on my videos. I really appreciate your return visits. I have a website where I sell my own jewelry. It's called Bead Creations by Anita-768558.square.site. There is a link to my website in the description box if you would like to check out my creations. Also, keep an eye out for periodic sales and some great deals. Have a wonderful week, everyone, and happy beading. See you next time.